Now, you're going to come in, hip width apart. You're going to take it down, hands on the knees. Move it into knee circles. Ready? Begin. Little bit old school here, but really effective. We're loosening up those hip joints. You don't want any injuries. Helping us create some flexibility in the joints. Nice and loose. Take it way down and around. Let's go for 2 more. And 1 and 2. Perfect. Last set of jumping jacks. We're ready to begin. Let's go. Now, those of you at home who are looking for the modified version of jumping jacks, look elsewhere. I'm not going to give that to you because I know you can handle it. I've got 400 pound people that can do jumping jacks. So can you. You got to push yourself. That's what it's about. So, they're not coming for free. 2 more. Here we go. And 1 and 2. Okay. Let's begin. 3 minutes of strength. Let's begin with push-ups. Take it down to the mat. Get a good position. And drop it down. 1, 2. Nice. Now, let's move here to take a look at the knee up. Beginners. This is a really hard move, okay? So if you need to, you go down to your knees. Notice how you can draw a straight line from her knees to the top of her head. Nothing to push way up in the air. Keep your foot out. One more there. Over here. Listen out. Hands in 90 degrees. Abs and tight on the balls of her feet. Gonna do 2 more, girls. Hit it. Last one. Take it down. Bring it up. Back up. Come on. Chop. Grab your weight. Okay, we're going into squat and press. Come into a squat position. Feet just outside the hips. Engage the arms at 90 degrees. Let's drop it down, up, and press. Down, and press. We're working little muscles in with big muscles here. Shoulders in with legs, okay? Keep it rolling. Now, I don't want to see you drop your arms down like this. I want them engaged the entire time. I want to be working those muscles the entire time. Now, have a look at Anita here. She's coming halfway down, not getting quite as deep. We come over and we look at Natalie. She's sinking all the way down, dropping her quads and her thighs parallel to the ground. Okay? Here's something else I want you guys to be mindful of.
Jumping jacks are more fun, huh?
I don't